Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain COD MW3 how to play two-player COP boat match. Take your second controller, now press and hold the PlayStation or X button. Click on Add User and add the new user. Already if you have another account, then click on it. Now press X button from the controller. Now go to the private match, then click on Create Private Match. Now select the plus icon from the team 1. Now select the amount of boats. Then select the difficulties. Then click on Confirm. Now select the second team as seen. Then go to Game Setup. Now select the game mode as Deathmatch. Then select Free for All. Then go to Invasion. Then select the custom and set the rules. Then go to menu and start the match. By following the steps, you can play two-player COP boat match.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.